Hello sparkly people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentinaa, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, and today I am in my closet to answer 10 of your most burning burlesque questions. So grab a drink, grab a glass. We're gonna talk about that ass. No, I'm just kidding, we're just gonna answer your burlesque questions. So the first question that I always get is pretty obvious. What is burlesque? Burlesque is a world of glitz and glamour and vaudeville and circus and sex and fun. That's it. If you want to be involved in glitz and glamour and circus and dance and sex and fun, then you'll like burlesque. Go see a show. Go watch a YouTube video. Pearl Noir. Go watch Dita Von Teese. There's so many options, so many ways for you to learn and absorb what burlesque is, besides, of course, watching my channel. The next burning question that everybody always asks is,
do I have to get naked?
I mean, no, but don't you want to? Oh, burlesque can include striptease, implied nudity, full nudity, or none of it. It all depends on the act, it all depends on the show, it all depends on the dancer. A lot of people want to know the difference between burlesque and stripping. Warranted. Different people will answer this question in different ways. It just depends on who you talk to. So this is my personal thought, and I think it lies in three different things. The first thing is motivation. The second thing is location. The third thing is compensation. Now, I could do an entire video about this, but those are my basic thoughts. Yeah. Next question. The next question that I usually get asked after that is, are you a stripper? No, not particularly. I am not a stripper. However, I wouldn't say no to twerking for a Birkin. That's the hashtag this year. Tag twerking for a Birkin.
So where do you, do burlesque?
As a performer, burlesque can be done just about anywhere. Theaters, clubs, cabarets, bars, lounges, private parties, backyard barbecues,
Trap houses, penthouses, boats, beaches. Burlesque can be done here or there. Burlesque can be done anywhere.
As a student, it's a little bit different. If you're looking to take a burlesque class, usually your local dance studio will offer an adult dance class along the lines of burlesque, chair dance, lap dance class, or a heels class, if you will. Most cities in the United States do have some kind of burlesque studio or dance academy. I know that here in St. Louis specifically, we have the St. Louis School of Burlesque, which is an excellent resource for anybody who's looking to get started in the Midwest. Another question that I get asked frequently about burlesque is, am I too young or am I too old to do it? Too young? Yes. My suggestion would be to start doing burlesque at about 18. It's an adult form of dance, let's be real about it. Now, as far as becoming a professional burlesque dancer, it is suggested that you are 21 plus when performing as a professional. Only because most of the venues where burlesque is performed, they do serve alcohol. And in order to perform and or be in a place where they serve alcohol, you have to be of legal drinking age.
Do I need experience to become a burlesque dancer?
Do you need experience to start as a burlesque dancer? No, not really. Go take a class. To become serious? Of course. Just like any other performance-based art, training and experience is key to being successful. Take a dance class. 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 What do I wear to a burlesque class? Honestly, the attire for a burlesque class is completely dependent on the teacher and the class itself. There are classes where you'll be required to wear lingerie, tights, and heels. A workout style burlesque class, in which case you'll be encouraged to wear workout gear. It might be a very dance heavy class, in which case you'll need to wear a leotard, tights, and jazz shoes. It really just depends on what class you're going to. All I can say is at the end of the day, whatever you wear, you need to feel comfortable and you need to be able to move.
Yeah, I'm super into burlesque, but I'm really shy and really nervous about going to a class or attending a show. Can you tell me what I can expect?
Most people who are starting out in burlesque feel the exact same way that you do. The burlesque community prides itself on being open, body positive, and super supportive. So when you go to a class or you go to a show, most of the people around you are going to try to welcome you into the community. They'll answer any questions you have or try to help you with anything that you're trying to do. All you have to do is ask. And maybe hit that subscribe button. You know the one that I'm talking about, the one that's down there right below this video. Just go ahead and hit it really quick. Might as well. You like this video, you got this far, you should subscribe. And of course, the final question, the question that I get asked the most often.
Vera, how do I become a burlesque dancer?
Watch my last video, how to become a burlesque dancer in 5 simple steps, and then subscribe to my channel. Well, friends, those are the top 10 questions that I get asked about burlesque. Comment down below if you have another question for me. I will be happy to answer it either in the comment section or in a video. Shoot me a message, follow me on Instagram, like me on Facebook, be my burlesque friend. As always, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'll be back with more videos.